Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Shita-Kiri Suzume token. Now this token is in the top gainer section today on CoinMarketCap. Right now it is up 37.84%, doing very well today. We're going to go over the information on this token and where you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is an Ethereum token. So if you wanted to buy this token, there's two different ways. You can get it in a decentralized manner by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and trading your Ethereum for the Suzume token. Using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or their webpage. Just make sure you have the right contract address. You may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, and just be aware that there is going to be network fees and gas fees when buying tokens off of Uniswap. Now, if you want to get it in a real easy way from a really good exchange that I use myself, you can get it off of Mexc Global. Now, all you'd have to do, if you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Suzume, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token that way. It's real easy to use Mexc Global, and they have all sorts of cool features on there that are helpful. And yeah, so check it out in the description if you don't have an Mexc Global account. Now, if you go over to their Twitter, very brand new project. They just joined in August 2022 on Twitter. They have 4,193 Twitter followers already, 18 tweets, and yeah, they are followed by Mexc Global, it says on here. It looks like they are getting more central exchange listings in the future here. It looks like ZT Global eventually. So they're expanding. So maybe that's why also this token is up right now. And yeah, so they're doing very well. Now, if we go over to their official Etherscan here, it says they have 2,373 holders, 32,893 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 1 trillion tokens, a max total supply, I should say. And also listed on their Etherscan, they have their webpage, contact email, Medium articles, Twitter, GitHub, Telegram, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap listing. Now, if you go over to their official webpage, which is Shita-Kiri-Suzume.com, over there you can find all their socials as well, and they have an application that you can click on as well. It says The Chosen People, Suzume. They have liquidity burnt, ownership renounced, 0% tax. Now, if you click on the bottom, there's 3 lines right at the very bottom right-hand corner of their page. Lots of cool artwork on their page too as well. They have a About Suzume, Dex Tools chart, a store to purchase goods. They have a Reach Us section and a Home section. So if I click on About Suzume, it says, The Chosen People. Long ago, our people were very poor, yet happy and thriving with friendship and community. One day, a sparrow stopped along his path to return the blessings of health, wealth, and happiness given to him by our people. He led us to great fortune, and with the gifts of the sparrow, we now had an unfathomable riches and prosperity, but with this newfound wealth, our people were permitted with the curse, greed, and jealousy. The way of those before were lost. We tumbled into turmoil, succumbing to the burden of the curse. We have been chosen to return us to glory. As the chosen people, we embark on our voyage to employ the practices of the past. The grammar is slightly off on when you read this little story here, but I believe this is translated from Korean. I think this is a Korean token. Our people who were not stricken with the curse of the greed and jealousy, the purity of friendship and community overcomes the evil of greed and jealousy. A project built on taxes is not a project that will succeed. And so that's why they have 0% taxes. To intend on the pursuit of profit, succumb to the lethality of greed. We remember that it takes to build something everlasting. The chosen people are our community, and with them we will prevail. Now is the time to return to what has succeeded before us, and for us to continue this mission. Forgo the greed, forgo jealousy, join our community, and become one of the chosen people. So yeah, that is their story about this token. I mean, it doesn't say much in the form of tokenomics or anything like that. They don't really have that on their page. That is, I guess, their Etherscan basically is the only place where you could really find tokenomic stuff. Now, if we go over to their Medium, looks like they do have a white paper on there. That's how you can find their white paper. It says white paper 1.0 introduction. It says... So I wonder if this Medium article is supposed to be the white paper. It looks like it's got a huge lengthy story. So they're going to be a DAO. The DAO will be prioritized for the most crucial decision making. These decisions will be made strategically to benefit the Suzume ecosystem and well-being of the entire community. Within the DAO, all discussions included upcoming listings, partnerships, and plans will be redirected to our loyal holders. So it's a governance token. So the ecosystem is on here. Yeah, it doesn't really say much about the ecosystem besides that they have a DAO. Lots of stories basically on here. They're talking about how they're going to be listed on a central exchange, ERC20 token. So that's basically, looks like they're going to have multiple tokens come out because it says they're going to have token X, name not to be revealed just yet. And then token Y and token Z will also be coming out in stages 2, 3, and 4, it says. So they're going to have multiple tokens within the ecosystem. And besides that, I mean, not a lot of utility, it doesn't look like it. It's kind of a meme token, it seems like. It's a decentralized community. They says they're going to have... Yeah, not much utility here. Oh, NFTs, it looks like... So they're going to have merchandise, NFTs, a decentralized exchange eventually. It says eventually they're going to have launch pads, expand outside the digital world. So maybe that means like metaverse stuff, marketing, branding, and it says the list goes on. So they don't have this stuff yet, but that's what they're working on. DAO, NFTs, merchandise, their own decks, launch pads, metaverse stuff, marketing, branding. That's basically about it. So that stuff will all be coming in the future. It looks like the best place to learn info is to follow their Medium. That seems to be where they post the most. They have an article called White Paper V1.0, Adaption, Growth, and Foundation, Roots, and one called Suzume. So you can learn the most from their Medium, it looks like, and you can find their Medium linked on their Etherscan, which you can find their Etherscan on CoinMarketCap. And if you want to get this token, you can get it off Mexc Global. Links down below. Check out all the other referral codes as well. Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. You all have a great day out there. Peace out.